Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today we're focusing on a critical market access topic for medical device manufacturers, Switzerland. For years, accessing the Swiss market was straightforward for manufacturers in the European Union, thanks to a Mutual Recognition Agreement, or MRA. However, this landscape has fundamentally changed when the EU's Medical Devices Regulation, MDR, came into force on May 26, 2021. The MRA was not updated. Consequently, Switzerland is now considered a third country by the EU, and the seamless flow of devices has ceased. This shift requires non-Swiss manufacturers to navigate a new set of local regulations, specifically the Swiss Medical Devices Ordinance, or MEDDO. The most significant new requirement is the mandatory appointment of a Swiss Authorised Representative, commonly known as a CH Rep. This entity must be based in Switzerland and acts as the official liaison between a non-Swiss manufacturer and the Swiss competent authority, Swissmedic. The CH Rep holds significant legal responsibility, including verifying that the manufacturer has the correct technical documentation and declaration of conformity. They are also responsible for handling vigilance, reporting any serious incidents, and field safety corrective actions to Swissmedic. Furthermore, the CH Rep's name and address, along with a specific CH Rep symbol, must be displayed on the device's labeling or on a document accompanying the device. It is crucial for manufacturers to be aware that the transition periods for appointing a CH Rep have already passed. The deadlines were staggered based on device classification. For medical devices, the deadline for high-risk devices like Class 3 and implantable Class 2B devices was December 31, 2021. For medium-risk Class 2A and non-implantable Class 2B devices, it was March 31, 2022. For low-risk Class 1 devices, the deadline was July 31, 2022. A similar set of staggered deadlines for in vitro diagnostic devices also concluded on July 31, 2023. Compliance is not optional. It is a mandatory prerequisite for placing your device on the Swiss market. In addition to appointing a representative, economic operators, including manufacturers and their CH Reps, must register with Swissmedic to receive a Swiss Single Registration Number, or CHRN. This is part of the rollout of the new Swiss database on medical devices, known as Swissmedic, which will eventually mirror many functions of the EU's EUDAMED system. Navigating these administrative and regulatory hurdles is essential for maintaining and expanding your market presence in Switzerland. If you need help navigating the complexities of global market access, including the specific requirements for Switzerland, please check out Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.